Welcome to another Fooling Yourself video. Why? I'm saying so because most probably you already watched such videos in the beginning of year and even in the previous years as well. And yet here you are again, watching another one, hoping for some magic formula to change your life overnight. Even as of right now, while you are watching this video, deep down you already know the truth. This is going to lead to nothing, and you will find yourself at the same point in the next month. You are aware of the loop that you have put yourself into, and you are just waiting for some motivation to strike, for some unstoppable drive to take over you, thinking that in a single night you will achieve something big. Well, to disappoint you, but that's never going to happen. Today, I'm not going to talk about how to make this the best year or feed you the same motivational fluff. Instead, I will simply break your illusion and share some truths that will make you aware of reality. This video is not created with the intentions to benefit you at any particular point of time, and sorry to clickbait you, but this is not going to be something that you had in mind. The things I will talk about today are those that are absolute and can never be outdated and are going to help you in your lifelong journey. Patience is the key. Starting with the first thing you need to do right now is to practice being patient and stop expecting any results in short run. The truth is, you have been filled with the thoughts and ideas from all over the internet that you can achieve things very fast and quickly if you follow this and that method. But let me tell you, this is entirely wrong. To know how to wait, be patient, and preserve yourself are the biggest keys of success. The path to success is always a long road, filled with hardships, struggle, pain, and despair. No matter what field of work you are in, or what ambitions you have thought, you have to be very patient and persevere if you really want to reach them. But what most people do, when they get into something, they just drive deep into it. They are swayed in the best of motivation and work day and night for a while with the expectations to see some good results without letting their body to rest and recharge. When they don't see those results, they burn out, get frustrated, and quit. They get so blinded by the result of a single battle that we forget that the true goal is to win the war. What basically happens is, you watch some motivating stuff to give rise to a momentary fire inside you and spend way too much time and energy than your capacity in hopes to achieve the results faster, but in reality, that's only slowing you down. Once a disciple asked his master, "Master, if I work hard every day, how much time will it take me to reach your level?" The master replied, 5 years. The disciple asked again, This is a very long time. How about if I work twice as hard?" "Then it will take 10, the master replied. 10? That's far too long. How about if I work day and at night as well?" 15, the master said with a smile. Confused, the disciple asked, "I don't understand. Every time I promise to devote more energy to my goal, you tell me that it will take longer. Why?" The master explained, "The answer is simple. With one eye fixed on the destination, there is only one left to guide you along the journey. The lesson? Hard work is necessary, but obsession without strategy will slow you down. You need to understand that your body and mind are your greatest weapons, but we treat them like machines. They require rest and time to recharge and get into the best condition again. By not allowing your body and mind to get enough rest, you are only decreasing your efficiency for the next couple of days where you're going to lack for sure." Understanding the power of patience. Let me deeply explain you how patience works. To understand this, imagine you have a massive boulder that you need to split in half using a pickaxe. You strike it tirelessly multiple times with all you have got, but still there is no crack on the stone. You strike it with more power and intensity, without any rest, but after few strikes, all your energy is drained and there's not even a scratch on the stone. You feel helpless and frustrated and decide to give up as things are not going your way. So what happened? All of your work wasted? Well, let's see. After some time, another person came and decided to break the boulder into two. But the difference is that he knew he had to be patient and work hard every day in order to break it. So he began breaking the boulder with a pickaxe, and this time the result was no different than before. There was no signs of the stone breaking anytime soon, But instead of giving up, the guy preserved his energy, gave his body proper rest, and put efforts every day without thinking of giving up in the process. He spent days, which turned into weeks, and then into months. But then finally, the boulder broke into two clean parts in a single strike. Was it that final strike that broke the stone? No, it was the hundreds of strikes before it, the ones that weakened it from the inside, making the last blow effective. This is how patience works. So be patient and take things slowly. This is a journey you've set for yourself, and it's a long one. The short ones? Those aren't journeys. They're just walks. Your focus should be on yourself and your progress. Stop looking at others and letting their actions dictate your path. Everyone in this world have their own unique path and journey. Your journey is yours. All the difficulties and struggles in your pathway are meant for you alone. You have to face them yourself because no one is coming to save you. Another huge mistake: setting goals the wrong way. Now, don't get me wrong. It's not bad to set goals and work to complete them. But the thing is, you have failed countless times at this before, that now failing to accomplish your goals has become a habit. The problem isn't the goal itself, it's how you view it. What you need to change is the way to look into things. Instead of obsessing over just finishing tasks, you need to start finding joy in the work itself. Stop chasing an outcome and start loving the process. You need to rewrite your brain, and instead of being focused on completing the goal, try to find fun in your work. Be in that moment in such a way that you can't think of anything else. If you are ambitious to become a great writer, the goal should not be to become a great writer, but to write the best you can, to create something you are satisfied with and proud of. To give your best and have fun should be the goal. Your real goal should be to love what you do and to immerse yourself in it so deeply that you don't even think about the results. If you can't even enjoy the process, can't have fun while working on your ambitions, believe me, your success is going to be meaningless. Remember, the journey is long and filled with highs and lows, and most of all, uncertainty. The one who rejoices and celebrates over a little progress and the one who gives up just after facing a small failure, both are short-sighted. Ups and downs are bound to come in your path, but instead of sticking yourself to an outcome, you should embrace them all and keep moving forward. You can never control the outcomes. All you can control is your effort, your honesty, and your growth. Only that way you will be at peace and satisfied from inside. So to summarize the wisdom of this ancient one, the first is to be patient and face the truth that the journey is long and you might not see results immediately, and that's okay. And another one is to detach from outcomes and fall in love with the process. Find joy in your work, not just in reaching goals. That's all for today. All the best, and see you guys in next video.